everyone, good evening. Look around you. To the person sitting to your left, to your right, think about your friends, your late night study session, your plans for the future. Now, I want you to imagine that the library, your favorite cafe, or this very lecture hall is on fire now. Is on fire, not from one single flame, but from five different points. Would we just sit here debating which fire is the most dangerous, or would we work together to put them all out? My friends, our planet, the only home we have for all these future plants is that building, and right now is it threatened by not one, but five in, in, in connected fires. Today, I am not here to just list problems. I'm here from our generation greatest challenge and our greatest opportunity. The first is the one we feel most intensely, the climate crisis. But let's be specific. This isn't just global warming, it's planetary fever. We see the symptoms everywhere. Unpredicted heat waves turning cities into orphans, mega floods supercharging wildfires, and rising seas already writing relocation plans for coastal communities. This isn't a future problem. It's our campus, our internship, our job market. This fire is the ultimate dream multiplier, making every other problem worse. Second, fire is the silent one. The 6 mass extinction we're not just losing the pandas, we are dismantling the very foundation of our life support system. Think of it as the internet of life. We're losing the pollinators that ensure our food security, the mangroves that protect our coast, the microbes that enrich our old soil. We are literally pulling threads out of the web we're standing on. When biodiversity crashes, ecosystems don't just get quieter, they collapse. And our economies, our food, our medicine, they collapse with them. The third fire is burning in our oceans, the plastic pandemic. Every year, we dump over 8 million metric tons of plastic into the ocean. That's like dumping a garbage truck into the sea every minute. This plastic doesn't vanish. It breaks down into microplastic, tiny, toxic particles that are known in our seafood, our drinking water, and even the air we breathe. The ocean, the lungs of our planet, and a vital climate regulator, is choking on our waste. Before, fire is the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the soil that grows our food. We drink and soil that grow our foods perceive pollution. The WHO states that 99% of the global population breathe air that extends safe quality limits. This isn't just an environmental issue, it's the world's largest single environmental health risk, linked to millions of preventable death issues. From industrial waste in our river to agricultural runoff in our groundwater, we are poisoning our own well. And finally, the fifth fire is the one fueling all the others. Our tech, our make West leader economy. We extract resources, use them once, and throw them away. But there is no way. This system built on endless growth on a finite planet is the engine of the other four fires. It's the business model for climate change, the driver of deforestation, and the source of the pollution crisis. It's the root cause. So here we are, facing these five fires. It's a daunting picture. It's easy to feel echo anxiety, to feel paralyzed. But I want to reframe that. I want you to see this not as a funeral for a planet, but as the mission statement for our generation. Because we are not just the generation that integrated these problems. We are the generation with the solution at our fingertips. We are the coders who will build smart grids, the engineers designer, pure solar economists, the biologists restarting economists, the lawyers fighting for climate justice, and the entrepreneurs creating sustainable alternatives. The question is no longer what are the biggest problems. We know them. The real question is what are we, students of today and the leaders of tomorrow, going to do about it? Action starts right here on campus. It's in our choice. Refusing single-use plastic, choosing plant-based option, demanding our universities drive us from fossil fuels, voting for leaders with bold green plans, and pursuing careers that prioritize people and the planet. We don't need a superhero. We need a generation of informed, passionate, and stubbornly optimistic change makers. Every research paper we write, every startup we launch, every conscious process we make it a bucket of water on these fires. On, on these fires. Let's leave this room today not with despair, but with determination. Let's be the generation that stopped debating that fires and started putting them out. Let's be the generation that built a future that is not just survivable but thriving, sustainable, and just it starts with me. It starts with you. Let's get work. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you.